So for example 5, our LCD here, since b plus 3 and b minus 5 can't be factored, and these are different binomials, different expressions, that means your LCD is simply their product, b plus 3, b minus 5. Need more space here for this equation. All right, so we multiply this then by b plus 3 times your b minus 5. Same thing with your right side. You have b plus 3 times your b minus 5. Okay. We can use distributive property on the left side because we have two expressions. Right side, you don't have to do distributive property there. There's only one expression we have on the right. So let's do this. By distributive property, what do we have here? We have here b plus 3 times b minus 5 times your expression, first expression, b plus 2 over b plus 3. Last plus 1. Okay, let me just put that later. Plus, what's next? Plus your b, your LCD, b plus 3. Okay, b plus 3 times b minus 5 times your second expression, positive 1. Equals the same expression we have on the right. We have negative 7 over b minus 5. Multiply that by the same LCD, which is b plus 3 times b minus 5. Okay. It's good, it's enough. We have enough space there. We can do cancellation here now. We can cancel. We can cancel here b plus 3. How about here? Nothing to cancel. Here, b minus 5. Let's rewrite what we have left. We have here b minus 5 times b plus 2 plus b plus 3 times b minus 5 times 1. But it's still the same. It's still b plus 3 times b minus 5. And the right side has negative 7 times b plus 3. Let's FOIL on the left. Okay, on the left we have b minus 5 times b plus 2. Foiling that, we have, all right, we have b squared. What's next to b squared? We can do b times b and then b times 2. You have 2b. Next we have negative 5 times b, negative 5b, negative 5 times 2, negative 10. Same thing on the other one. Let's just enclose this with parentheses. Okay, whenever you multiply, make sure that you enclose with parentheses. Who knows, this one could be a minus. All right, sometimes could be minus. So always enclose with parentheses when we have both multiplication and addition. When you multiply, enclose the product with parentheses to avoid mistakes in the signs. So you have b times b, that's b squared. Can we have b times negative 5? You have negative 5b. And then 3 times b for your inner product. We have positive 3b. And 3 times negative 15, negative 5, negative 15. And that's equal to negative 7 times b, right side. On the right side, that's negative 7b. Negative 7 times 3, negative 21. Can we remove the parentheses now? Plus, all right, no change needed here, right? No change needed there. So we simply, let me just erase that down. Okay, let me just erase it because there's no change needed. Okay, rather than rewriting it. All right. So which are like terms here? We have like terms there, right? B squared, B squared. How many B squares do we have? 2. So that will be 2B squared. All right. Next, we have your 2B minus 5B minus 5B plus 3B. All right. So let me just write that here. 2 minus 5 minus 5 plus 3. What's 2 minus 5? That's negative 3 minus 5, negative 8 plus 3. You have negative 5. Okay. Next, we have negative 10 minus 15. So we have this negative 10 minus 15. What is negative 10 minus 15? We have negative 25. And that's equal to negative 7b minus 21. Now, we make the right side 0. Why? Because the result will be a quadratic equation. It's a b squared. So that means we have to do this. Plus 7b plus 7b plus 7b. How about negative 21? That would be plus 21 plus 21. And we have this result, 2b squared, negative 5 plus 7, positive 2, negative 25 plus 21, negative 4 equals 0. Okay, I think that we need more space. Right, can we go to the next slide? Okay, I'll just show you that later if you need more time there. Right, so here we have 2b squared plus 2b, all right, 2b squared. It's 2b squared plus 2b, you remember that? Minus 4 equals 0. Before we factor this, before we even do AC, let's see if we can divide out your GCF for 3 terms. Do you have a GCF for 2, 2, negative 4? Yes, what is it? 2. So we can simplify this, dividing both sides by 2. What's 2b squared divided by 2? That's simply b squared. 2b divided by 2, positive b. Negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2 equals 0 divided by 2, 0. Now we can, of course, write the factors by taking your product, negative 2, and your sum, positive 1. All right. So what are your factors? Negative 1, positive 2. So our factors will be b minus 1 and b plus 2 equals 0. Setting each factor to 0, we have b minus 1 equals 0 or b plus 2. B plus 2 equals 0. What's your b here? It's going to be 1, right? Plus 1 plus 1. You have b equals 1. How about this? Minus 2 minus 2. The question is, are these your solutions? Let us check our denominators. What do we have in your denominators? B plus 3, B minus 5. So let us check. Let us check first 1. Is 1 a solution? We are avoiding any value that will make our denominators 0. So if your b is 1, let's check our denominator here. Your b is 1. 1 plus 3, 4, check. But that's only the first one. How about your b minus 5 here? 1 minus 4, negative 4. Both of them are non-zero. It's not 0. So that means 1 is a solution, right? So let's this is this is a solution. How about negative 2? Is it a solution? Let's check. Negative 2. All right. So here. Oh, wait. That's not it. Right. Your b is negative 2. All right. Negative 2 plus 3, 1. It's not 0. How about the b minus 5? Negative 2 minus 5? Negative 7. None of them is 0. So that means both of them are solutions. Therefore, our solution set here will be the set negative 2, comma 1 with 2 elements. Your solutions are negative 2 and 1.